Welcome to Curious Minds. June 2025, over the Arabian Sea, a British F-35B Lightning II, flying from HMS Prince of Wales, suffers a critical hydraulic failure. With a storm closing in, the pilot diverts to the nearest safe runway, Thiruvananthapuram International Airport in Kerala, India. The Indian Air Force quickly clears a path, and the jet makes a dramatic emergency landing, its first ever in a non-F-35 partner country. Suddenly a stealth jet designed to be invisible is stranded in plain sight, turning a quiet Indian airport into the center of a global military and diplomatic puzzle. Local authorities and the public are fascinated, with Kerala's tourism department even joking about the jet's 5-star stay. But beneath the humor, a complex operation unfolds. The F-35B is packed with classified tech, and only highly cleared British and American teams can touch it. For weeks, the multi-million-pound jet sits idle, racking up parking fees and causing headaches for military planners in London and Washington. What began as a routine patrol has become an international incident. The world is watching how this high-tech guest will finally leave God's own country. So, what's the big deal about the F-35B? It's a 5th-generation stealth fighter, costing over $100 million, engineered to evade radar and dominate the skies. The B variant can take off short and land vertically thanks to its lift fan and swiveling engine nozzle, making it uniquely flexible for aircraft carriers. But this complexity is also its weakness. When something breaks, only a select team with specialized tools and security clearance can fix it. That's why a 40-member British and American team had to fly to India. Local help wasn't an option. Every F-35 is tied to a US-controlled logistics system, so even partner nations like the UK don't have full autonomy over repairs. The Kerala incident exposes this vulnerability. The jet's cutting-edge tech is both its greatest strength and its Achilles heel. It's a powerful machine, but it's also incredibly needy. When things go wrong far from home, the whole world takes notice. The F-35B's predicament in India is a perfect example of high-tech power meeting real-world complications. This emergency landing is more than a technical glitch. It's a diplomatic test for the UK, US, and India. For the UK, it's embarrassing to have a prized jet grounded abroad, raising questions about reliability and security. The US, as lead partner in the F-35 program, is even more anxious. The jet is now parked in a country operating Russian S-400 air defenses, a major red flag for Washington. The US once banned Turkey from the F-35 program over S-400 concerns. Now their own jet sits near the very system they fear. India, meanwhile, is not an F-35 operator but has been courted by the US as a strategic partner. India's careful handling, securing the site and cooperating fully, becomes a trust-building moment, showing it can safeguard Western secrets. Every move, from repairs to who gets near the jet, is scrutinized. The British were so cautious, they initially left the jet on open tarmac under armed guard before moving it for repairs. This is a high-stakes dance of trust, secrecy, and geopolitics, all playing out on a humid runway in southern India. The world's eyes are on how these three powers manage the crisis. The outcome could shape their relationships for years to come. The F-35 program, already criticized for its $1.5 trillion price tag, now faces fresh scrutiny. This stranded jet is a public symbol of the program's complexity and fragility, advanced tech, but vulnerable to simple failures. Similar incidents have happened before, showing that even the most sophisticated aircraft can be grounded by basic problems. Does this make the F-35 look weak? Or does the global effort to recover it show the strength of its support network? For the UK and US, it's a wake-up call about the challenges of operating such advanced machines far from home. For India, it's a chance to prove itself as a trusted partner. One broken jet has become a test of trust, technology, and diplomacy. The story isn't over, but it's a powerful reminder of how a single failure can ripple across the world.